welcome back to my channel. I am here with my little sister. I am Nadine. What's your name? Nadine. What's your name? Your name is Ayana? What's your name? Ayana. And we're gonna show what we bought yesterday.
Wow.
This is the first dress we bought for my little sister. It's a Cocomelon dress with a pink skirt and with JJ's friends.
Wow.
And this is another dress for my sister. And we are actually matching.
Woo!
Next
Wow.
I got for me is Kappa pants, purple pants. So I really like it, and I really like the bottom of the pants, and it's so stretchable. See? The next pants I bought is this black pants. It's very stretchable, and I really like the bottom too. It's so beautiful. The next
Nice.
pants I bought are these gray jeans. It is super nice. I tried to do like sitting down, and and it's so flexible. I really like this, and you can tie this so no worries of it falling down.
So
And
nice.
this is the last thing I bought for myself. It's this beautiful dress with a girl with a backpack and flowers, and it is like light orange or light pink, but it is so beautiful. That's all I bought that's what I all bought yesterday. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos of like this. Bye.